There's a huge debate through North America and Europe right now. Is it tseba or tseba? Please, save the Tigrinya world from ending. Only you can save us. Tseba is milk in Tigrinya, and some people spell it tseba, T-S-E-B-A, and other people spell it with an A, T-S-A-B-A. Which one is the correct one? If you are an English speaker, the sound A, it's made by the letter A. But if you speak other European languages like Swedish, German, Italian, or Spanish, or French, this sound is actually A. So some people spell it with an A and other people spell it with the E. I am sure you have seen some of our names that are spelled with an A or with an E depending on a personal preference. Like the name Senait, sometimes it's spelled with an A and other times it's spelled with an E. Or the name Girmay, sometimes it's spelled with a G-I, because in English the sounds G is G-E or G-I. But in other European languages, the sounds G is spelled with G-H-I. Hence, Girmay like this or Girmay like this. But let's go back to the actual question. Which one is the correct way to spell tseba? None of them? Because tseba is Tigrinya and it's supposed to be spelled with the Ge'ez alphabet or the Hahu alphabet. So this is the only correct spelling of the word tseba. Any other spelling is wrong.
Culture is cool.